Hey guys, what's up? Welcome you once again in our channel. It's your friend from Tech Marrow, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save any stories from Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp in a simple way. So let's get started. Today, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram are the three biggest social media giants with billions number of users, and this number is just getting higher and higher each day. You know what is a common feature provided by all these three apps? To share stories. And I have seen many people installing so many different apps to install stories of Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram. They install separate app to save stories of Instagram, install separate app to save stories of WhatsApp, and same goes for the Facebook. But do you know you do not need to have so many apps? You just need a single app which will help you to save stories of all Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram. And in this video, I will show you how you can do this, and I'm gonna also show you how you can save Instagram stories with music without help of any app. So let's get started. So once you will open the app, you will see an interface like this. So here you have to log in with your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So I have done all these three steps. Now I'm going to show you one by one how you can actually save stories or photos or anything from your Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. So at first let's click on this login with Instagram. So as I have already logged into my Instagram, I will be redirected. So you can see my Instagram account is now just open. Now I'm going to search here for account. Let's say let's type here any account name to download the stories of that account. So I'm going to search here for The Rock. So you can see, you can just click on the account, and from here is like normal Instagram, and whatever photo or video you like, you just need to click on that. And once you click on that, then just click on these three dots, click on the copy link, and once the link is copied, then you just to click on this bars and go for the story options of Instagram. So once you have done this, so you just need to go to the second option, which is link. Go there and just paste the link and just click on the get post. So once you have clicked on the get post, so this image will be available to you to download. Here is the download option. Click on the download and then will be downloaded. So once this is downloaded, you can find it in the saved option. So you can see I have saved two images. Guys, in similar way, you can also save the Instagram story. So you can see a new Instagram story. Currently, I am just having this Instagram story in my Instagram account. So I'm going to show you my Instagram account. So you can see I'm in my Instagram account. Currently I'm having this story from Traveling Mondays only. And whenever you just open the app, and if you get a new story in your Instagram account, those stories will be fetched right here. And from here, you just need to click on the stories, and the stories will be available for you to see or download. So here I'm clicking on this download button. So once I click on this download, the downloading will be start. So once the video is downloaded, it will be available to you in the saved folder. So you can see the new story is now downloaded. So you can see the story is downloaded. So guys, that was for the Instagram. As I told you guys, this app is calling one story saver app. So let's go check out the WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, go to the WhatsApp, and here you can see my WhatsApp statuses. So whenever you see a new status in WhatsApp, they will come right here, and from here you can just easily download any video or image status. So let's click on this image, and simple way, click on this, and the image will be downloaded right here. So I just click on this, and the image will be downloaded. So once they are downloaded, go to the save section. So as you can see, the interface is really simple, and from here you can actually get all the old saved store statuses also, right? So you can see, I can see the image, and you can read it from here. So, and guys, all the stories or statuses or images you save in this app, they will be available in your gallery. Like I'm going to my gallery, and you can see in my Instagram folder, I have all the saved images like this or this of the video which I just recently saved from this app. So similarly, with the help of this app, you can log into your Facebook and download the stories and photos like in the same way. Now guys, as I told you, I will show you another trick by which you can save Instagram stories without downloading a single app. If you do not want to install any kind of app to save stories, this trick is for you to save Instagram stories. For this, what you need to do, open the browser. Once you go to the browser, search here for storysaver.net. Search here for storysaver.net. You can see the link. Click on that. So once the website is open, you just need to type here the username of that particular Instagram account you want to see. So just write here the name. So here I'm searching for The Rock, and click on the download. So once you have pressed the download, all the new stories and the highlights will be available to you. So here currently I'm not having any stories from The Rock, and so you can also click on the show highlights, and obviously you can download them. So if I just click on any of them like this, show highlights, and from here you can actually save the photos like this. I mean, save as photo. You just need to click on the save as photo. Once you clicked on them, so here you can see the photo is now downloaded. Now you can also see the photo. So like same way, way you can download videos, stories from this website very easily. So guys, that was the website from where you can easily download Instagram stories whenever you want. And now let me show you the app in the Play Store, which I have just showed you. So the app name is All Story Saver 2020. So you just need to install this app to save stories from Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, please hit that red subscribe button to be a part of our channel. And guys, I have a question for you. Do you know any website from where you can easily download Facebook stories? So if you know, let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and have a great day.